Welcome to the Squid Ink booth here at Pack Expo. My name is Carl Fiker. I'm the Director of Sales, and we are excited to be showing our new Gemini print system. And we're also featuring a new industrial tablet, as well as an Easty conveyor to transport our box, which aids in the quality of the print, a nice smooth transition past the printhead so that the carton doesn't have any wobble as it goes on by. The Gemini printer is brand new from Squid Ink. It features 2 print engines for a total of 5.6 inches of overall print height, and it produces a resolution of 360 by 150 or 360 by 300, giving end users optimum print quality for their barcode and label replacement needs, as well as pre-printed carton. This printer is such high resolution that you can actually replace your pre-printed cartons and print everything on your carton dynamically as it goes on past the printer. There's plenty of storage on the unit to create thousands of messages. Users simply choose the message and they're ready to print. And as you can see, the quality of the print is just exceptional. 5.6 inches from top to bottom. You can design anything that would be required on your label, including an ingredient statement. Any type of barcode symbology that is required is also available on our software, which is called Orion. And I just want to highlight again the crispness of the barcode. If you need more information on our products, feel free to visit our website, squidink.com, or give us a call. Thanks for watching.